1st of December. Fatih and Cynthia have checked out. They're heading back to Dubai and leaving Georgina in Singapore. Sad. Hashtag sad. So I'm going to be checking out by 12 o'clock and heading to the airport. Well, I'm going to be lodging in a hotel there so that I can actually have full experience of what the airport feels like. And yeah, it's very early. We came back. We went to 3 different clubs or lounges or bars yesterday, and we came back pretty late, around past 1. They had to put on their alarms to make sure that they wake up early because their flight is for 9. And yeah, so they're all packed with their bags. Look at the door, the lift that's opened up for you guys. So press it. Bye, people. Bye bye. Morning, guys. So over here it's the 31st of December. I'm currently checking out right now from the hotel I've been since I came to Singapore. It's called Hoteljen. It's located on Orchard Gateway. So I'm checking out. I'm heading to the airport. I'll be checking into a hotel there for 2 days. Basically, the aim is to explore the airport because the airport is a whole new vibe on its own. So the plan is to explore the airport and, you know, get a feel and let you guys see what the Singapore airport looks like. My stay at Hoteljen has been amazing. As you know, my friends have checked out already earlier today and they're already on their way to Dubai. They should almost be there by now, I guess, because their flight was pretty early. And yeah, so heading out, I'm gonna take a taxi to the airport, and I'll see you guys at my new hotel. It's also a very pretty one. I'll let you guys, you know, be the judge of that. But yeah, I'm leaving the city or the town now. I'm heading back to the airport. I'll see you guys when I get there. Bye. So guys, just got to the Jewel airport. I want to try and go and find the hotel. Drop my bag at the lobby because check-in time is 6 p.m. Drop my bag at the lobby, pay for the room, and then I'm going to continue exploring the airport. But this is basically the entrance to Jewel. You can see the fountain, yeah, somewhere there. I think my hotel is 4 levels up, so level 4. I have to try and look for it, and I'll be back to show you guys what the hotel looks. Sorry, I'll show you guys what the hotel and what the airport basically looks like. So yeah, so this goes way up. It's basically like I don't know, like a big circle shape. Yeah, so this is it. The outside. That's the entrance, and yeah, so what it looks like. So I'll see you guys soon. that's the door. Come in, you have a TV, you have very cute bed and mirrors here, a shelf right behind me with 2 bottles of water on us, as they said. This is supposed to be a see-through glass leading to bathroom, curtains. Here we have towels. There's a hair dryer here, wash basin, toilet, and the bathroom. Basically, it's a cute small space. I think this serves two. The idea is not to stay for too long, hence why, you know, the lady actually called it a cabin. So yeah, it really is a cabin. Small space, guys, small space. But for the purpose and for me staying alone, I think it serves its purpose really, because the aim is to explore this airport, come back and sleep. Yeah, so soft pillows, soft bed, have a TV to watch if I can watch it actually, because I'm gonna be, you know, moving, sleeping. Yeah, so that's it, and that is me. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. I'm gonna be laying down for a bit. It's excuse me, it's to 6 right now in the evening. I'm gonna be chilling for a bit, then I'm gonna go out and show you guys what the Changi airport is basically about. I saw a lot when I was coming, but I was like, okay, let me just chill, check in, and later I'm gonna go out. I am gonna be staying here for 2 days. I'm checking out on the 2nd, coming back to Nigeria, and that's basically it. So if you wanna, okay, so the hotel also bills per hour. So if you have like, I don't know if you're connecting through these airports, or you got into town and you want to see what the airport is about, the hotel actually bills per hour, so you can chill here for a bit before heading into town or leaving. So that's also good. It's not the regular hotel that bills per day. I was told by the lady in the counter that they bill per hour, so you can also that can work. You can also use that to have a breather, relax, freshen up, explore the airport before you head out to do whatever you want to do. So I'm going to see you guys later and show you what the airport basically about. When I was coming in, I saw a lot of restaurants. I saw people serving steak and pasta. You guys know pasta is my absolute best. I'm going to head out later in the evening and or at night, because it's past 6 already. I'm going to head out later and look for somewhere to have pasta. If that's the only thing I actually eat before I leave here, yeah, that would be good. I love pasta a lot, and I would like to try out pasta here at the airport, here at the GEORGINA airport. I like to try pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. I'll see you guys later when we head out of the room. Okay, and this was actually right here, so I'm gonna collapse it. And I think this should serve as a chair. So this is supposed to be some kind of workspace. So the floor is just basically compact, put together, cute small space, not a lot of room to work with. So, you know, I think the aim is that you're not supposed to stay here for long. So I'm gonna show you. This goes down, says up and down, so this makes the bed go down, like moving down, laying flat, and this takes it up, back up. So yeah, it's an adjustable bed. It's an adjustable bed, guys. Look at it. Small but workable. Just want to show you guys. I just noticed it now, so I said, okay, let me just show you guys what it looks like. Everything this hotel has to offer. I'll try and let you guys know what I see, what I observe, and everything. So guys, I just woke up from my nap. It's currently 8:30 p.m. in Singapore. Still at the Shanghai Airport, Yotelair Hotel on level 2 of Shanghai Airport. So I will be going out now, going in search of food. Basically, I really want to have pasta, so I want to see if I can find a restaurant where I can have that. And let me see what the night time in the airport looks like. I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like also. So let's head out of the room. I'll see you guys outside or at the restaurant I eventually find what I can eat. So let's go.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth.